Welcome to Fantastic Golf Holes and Where to Find Them. Join us as we journey to Reykjavik in Iceland. Brautarholt is located just 30 minutes by road from the centre of Iceland's vibrant capital city, Reykjavik. The golf course sits on a spectacular peninsula dominated by black lava outcrops and glorious sea views. Wood and Rory originally designed the course as a 9-holer along the cliffs in 2011, and I promise you these are 9 holes you will never forget. The opening par 5 with green perched on a rocky shelf by the ocean is an outrageous way to start the round. It is followed by more dramatic cliff-top golf at holes 2, 3 and 4. And the wonderful par 5 9th hole brings us back from the sea to a clubhouse with mountain backdrop. But it is the unique par 3 5th hole which we found the most memorable. A variety of tees changed the angle of attack to a green set just above sea level and surrounded by rocky black lava. A black sand beach arcs its way from tee to green and must be carried to reach the green. Yes, that's right, the sand is black and it is the beach that you need to negotiate the entire length of the hole. And if the tide is in, look out! It's a unique setting and an experience you will never forget. It's a fantastic golf hole.